Judicial Magistrate CJM Imphal East, currently in charge of CJM Bishnupur, has rejected bail application of 4 accused persons arrested in connection with the murder of 21-year-old Maitei Salaithiam. The incident occurred on July 6th following a scuffle between two groups at Thanga, Khunjem. The court has remanded 4 accused: Loitongbam Pinky, aged 22, daughter of late Nilamani from Kwakithel, Kongjeng. Laishtam Lanchenba, aged 21, son of Loken from Hyangthang, Maninglekai. Lamabam Taibunganbi, aged 27, daughter of Amuchau from Nangamapal, Kangjabi Machin, and Yumlembam Kelvin, aged 23, son of Ellen from Palace Compound near Advanced Hospital, to judicial custody till July 28th to ensure smooth investigation into the case. They were produced before the court by a team of Kaibul Lamjau Police Station after completing their police custody period. The Defence Counsel filed a remand objection petition along with a plea for bail. However, after hearing arguments from the Additional Public Prosecutor APP representing the state and going through the case materials, the court rejected the bail plea and ordered the 4 accused to be remanded to judicial custody till July 28th.